Hello friends, welcome to my channel How To. In this video tutorial, I am going to explain how to backup all the contacts into Gmail. So let's start. So first of all, open your contacts. So these are my all contacts. So first of all, we will take the backup of the contacts in the phone. So to create a backup, tap on the three dots which are present on your right hand side top corner. Once you tap on the three dots, you can see the option Import Export Contacts. So tap on Import Export Contacts. So in the export section, here you can see the option Export to Storage. So tap on Export to Storage. So at the bottom, you can see the pop-up Export Contacts. Your contact list will be exported to the file .vcf. So when we will click on the OK, then it will create the .vcf file which will contain the backup of all the contacts. So tap on OK. And here you can see the message .vcf file will be created shortly. So .vcf file is created on the path mentioned in the pop-up. Now go to the file manager. Now scroll down. So here you can see the file 5.vcf and this file contains backup of all our contacts. Now minimize this. Now open your any browser. In my case, I am using Google Chrome browser. Now log in into a Gmail account if you are not logged in. I have already logged in into my Gmail account. Now go to the www.google.com. So I am on this page. Then click on main menu. Once you click on the main menu, here you can see the option contacts. So tap on contacts. So in the contact section, tap on main menu. So once you tap on the main menu, here you can see the option import. So tap on import. Now it will ask you for uploading a file. So we have already created .vcf file or vcard file. So tap on select file. Now tap on main menu. Here you can see the file manager. So tap on file manager. Now scroll down and select the file that we have created. So I am selecting 5.vcf file that we have already created. Then tap on OK. So we have selected the file. Tap on import. And here you can see I have imported the contacts successfully into my Gmail. So in this way we can backup contacts into Gmail. So that's all. Thanks for watching my video. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe my channel How To. Thanks a lot.